Welcome to 4114 Glendon Road. This updated 2-bedroom, 1 full bath duplex townhome with a covered front porch, laminate hardwood flooring inside, as well as a fenced backyard. It's located in the Glendon Terrace neighborhood near Columbia College, near downtown Columbia. Again, just a few minutes commute to downtown Columbia. Also convenient to Lorick Park Elementary. Lorick Park and Hyatt Park Elementary. So we're out front now. You can see there's a 1-car wide driveway, pretty good length leading up to the front of the unit. It's the left side of the duplex here. So you can see 2 stories, covered front porch outside. You have a nice octagonal window as you approach there, and we step inside into the living room. Off the entry, you have laminate hardwood flooring in here that continues up the stairs as well. So a ceiling fan in the living room, a couple of windows out to the front, and you can see the stairs going up to the 2nd level. There also is a nice sized closet beneath the stairs. So a coat closet with some hanging space, and you have a bunch of space that extends beneath the stairs and a shelf above there as well. And then the kitchen and dining area is right off the living room. You have tile flooring in the kitchen, some track lighting there, and you can see it's open to the kitchen itself, where you have an included electric stove and side-by-side refrigerator. And then right off the kitchen, you have your laundry area with included washer and dryer side by side. Also where the water heater is, and then you have a fenced backyard area here. And that just wraps around the house. See the fencing towards the front there, and then again, just sort of backyard space, and it does back up to a little wooded area. And then back inside on the upper level, we have 2 bedrooms and a full bath. It's that laminate flooring upstairs in the bedrooms as well. And then you have some different flooring in the bathroom. So the first bedroom faces the front of the house. As you can see, you have the closet here in the corner. There's a linen closet at the end of the hall. Bedroom number 2. This one faces the backyard, and pretty similar closet. And then last but not least, the updated bathroom, which has an updated vanity, mirror, and lighting, and then a shower and tub as well. So that completes our tour of this home, 4114 Glendon Road. You can find out more information online at turnerproperties.com.